Hello. Welcome back to my channel Shiny Swaggy. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. So, for today's video, we're gonna be talking about your basic everyday makeup look. And with basic makeup, I mean to say that हम बहुत ज़्यादा products use नहीं करने वाले हैं. We'll be using a very few products, and you guys are going to love it. So do create this look and do let me know in the comment box how you like this video and was this makeup look easy to create. And now without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first step should always be a moisturizer. Here I am using this one from Pond's. It is a super light gel oil-free moisturizer. So if you have an oily skin like me, then this is gonna work for you. Next, sunscreen. So I am using this VLCC sunscreen. If you are wearing makeup for the daytime, then do apply a sunscreen. I've just taken a little bit of it at the back of my hand and I will apply it all over my face and neck. Next, I'm going to use a primer. Now this also is a really important step. Primer is going to be a barrier between your makeup and your skin so that the makeup won't get into your pores. Also, when you are a teenager, your skin tends to be really sensitive and you can break out anytime. So the primer is going to be the barrier so that you don't mess up with your skin. Next, I'm going to use a foundation, and this foundation is by Nykaa, and I'm going to take just a little bit of it and I'm gonna warm it a bit just at the back of my hand. So now you guys can go ahead and use the foundation as much as you feel like. I'm just going to do spot correction, and if you are a teenager, I don't think you have the need to apply the foundation all over your face. You can just do like whatever I'm doing here. I'm just gonna dot it on the areas where I have redness or acne scars. So now I'm going to use this beauty blender to blend the foundation, and with the help of this only I'll be doing the whole makeup. So as we know, we are doing makeup look for teenagers here, so I feel like just a beauty blender would work great. And keep in mind to use a damp blender, and you have to dab it on your skin. Do not rub the blender on your skin. And now to set my base, I am going to use this compact powder, and it is also by Nykaa. I'm just going to take a little of it on my beauty blender and I am just dabbing it all over my face gently. Okay, and it's blush time now, so I'm going to use this lip color which is by Nykaa, and the shade name is Rukmini. So I'm just gonna take it at the back of my hand and take the back of your blender and dab it once or twice, and just dab it once or twice again on the clearer surface to remove the extra product, and then just dab it on your cheeks gently. This process is my current favorite. It just merges the blush with the makeup and it feels like that all the pinkiness is all natural and not artificial. And I feel like this step of applying blush, it makes you look healthy, happier, younger. So you should never ever skip this step. Done with the base, and now coming to the eyes, I am gonna apply a very thin eyeliner with the help of this kajal. वैसे this is a really affordable kajal, so if you are looking for a good affordable kajal, you can go for this one. Now mascara. And for lips, I am again going to use a lip color by Nykaa, and the shade name is Kashi. You can also apply a shade which is more in the pinkish tones or any of the lipstick that you like applying. And here is the final look. I am in love with this look. It is super easy to recreate and it takes no time when you actually do it. I'll just go and change my clothes and do my hair, and I'll be right back. Itne you can just enjoy these beauty shots. And yeah, this is how the whole look is. Okay, so this was the final look and I'm absolutely loving it. If you are someone who is not a teenager and if you are watching this video, then this can be your everyday makeup look. Do try this look and tell me in the comment box if you like this look. And I hope this video was helpful. Do give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.